Hello, Lake Travis family. This video is going to talk to you about your sharing settings and how to be able to see different versions of your documents in Google. Whenever you are in a Google Doc, you might be working in it by yourself or in a group of other students or teachers. This is my Google Doc. I'm going to name this test document. That's how you change the title. Now, whenever you're working in something and you want to share it, you go up to the share button. So students, there are some things you might be working on that you have to share with your teacher. You'll click share. And this is where you type the name. So I'm in a student's account right now. If she wants to send this to Mrs. Rivera, her teacher, she'll start typing. Oh, look, and there's the teacher. She'll click that, and then she'll send it. And it says one person added. Now, if you wanted to share it with somebody, but you don't want them to make any changes, you'll see that there her teacher is. It says that teacher is an editor. She could also share it maybe with a friend. Let's see. There's a friend in her class she's going to share this with, but she doesn't want Adeline to edit her document. She just wants her to look at it. So she'll select viewer here, and she can send it that way. At the same time, if you want to share, not by emailing it to all the individual people, but you just want to share a link, down here, the option is get link. Currently, it's restricted, so we're going to change this. So now it's changed it so that everyone in Lake Travis ISD can view it. If you want anyone in Lake Travis to edit it, you select here. If you want everyone in Lake Travis to comment, you can change it here. If you are looking for anyone on the internet to be able to look at this document, then you need to change Lake Travis ISD to anyone with link. You can have anyone on the internet comment, anyone on the internet view, or anyone on the internet edit. You choose. I'm going to put this on Lake Travis ISD. I only want people within our network, and I want them to just be able to view my document. Then you can copy the link, and if you email that link or post it on a website or post it on your Schoology page, then they will be able to open it and just look at it. Now let's talk about revision history. Sometimes when you're working in a Google Doc, you are working in it for a long time. So here I've opened up one of the kindergarten choice boards from last spring. We spent a lot of time working on this together, and it's changed a lot since we first created it. To view all the different versions, you go to File, Version History, and See Version History. It opens up a tab on the side that will show you all the versions of all the edits that were ever made in this document. You can see that there was a group of us working here. If I select one of the old versions, that's what it looked like on May 3rd. That's what it looked like on May 4th. So you can see how it changed. Now this is important, students, because teachers can log in and see your revision history and see what they have changed, what you have done in your doc over time. They can also see what time you've done it. So if you wait until the last minute to do your work, they can see that too. This is also good in case there is a big mistake and you need to go back and revert. You'll see this button that says restore this version. I'm not going to click on that one, but it's there in case you need to completely start over or go back to something very specific. That is true for all of your Google Docs. You can do this in Google Slides, Google Sheets. You can always use the menu to see the version history. You just click back to go back to your current document.